Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and for today's vlog I am going to share with you another bag video. So if you can see the pink paper bag at my back, and I'm so sorry for the mess. I haven't had the chance to clean up my closet yet, so if you can see the pink paper bag at my back, you can now guess what the bag I'm going to share with you today. And it's the Kate Spade bag from the US that my husband just purchased from his latest trip. And if you want to know more about it, just keep on watching this video. Alright, so as mentioned, this is a Kate Spade bag from the US. It was actually purchased at the Kate Spade outlet in, I think, in Camarillo. So that was when my husband and aunt and cousin went there. So he saw it. It was on sale. That's why he bought it immediately. I think the price of this Stacy, Kate Spade Stacy bag, Satchel, it's a Satchel. It's a medium-sized Stacy bag in lemon yellow, I think. I forgot. I'm just gonna put the color here at the video, so the exact color. So I think this is around $309, but he was only able to score it for $100 plus tax. So that's a steal. I love the color. It's my first yellow bag in my closet. And I love it because it's not too bright. It's not a too bright yellow color, but it's just a lemon light color. So I love it. It complements some of my clothes in my closet. That's why I love it. Anyway, let's talk about the bag itself. So as mentioned, it's a shell bag. So it's actually a two-way bag. You can use it as a handbag, and it also does have a sling. So let's put it, let's let's get it here. So there is a sling strap here inside. I actually used it with a sling the first time I used it. So I normally I normally wear it with the sling. So I am a sling bag girl. That's why. And yeah, so it's so nice here. There. There are, of course, the signature Kate Spade on the hardware. It's, I think, a light gold hardware. Yeah, it's a light gold hardware, and there are the signature engraved Kate Spade on the hardware. It's adjustable. It has 7 slots for the buckle. So there's 7 holes here. So you can just adjust it according to your height. I'm a 5'3", and there. What else? So there are pockets here. It's just a small pocket. I can only put a receipt in here or a card. And then there is another pocket in front. So the pocket in front, I still have money in here. Oh my god. So there. So the pocket in front is actually bigger. It's wider than the one at the back. So you can put a face mask or something, but not, of course, don't put a lot of bulky items in here because the bag will be deformed. And you can just put any, like, flat something, bills or whatnot, a face mask, of course. And then, so there are 2 buckles here where you can put the strap. So the zipper is here with, of course, the signature Kate Spade brand. And what else? So there are actually there's like a belt in here. When I actually saw it, I fell in love with the design because it's nice. So there's a belt. It's like a belt that you can adjust. There are buttons here, so you can open it up if you have lots of things to put inside. So it can be adjusted to make it wider, to make the bag look wider. And that's it. And then if if you're not carrying a lot inside the bag, you can just close it again with a snap. So it's just a snap button. There, you have it. And what else? There are pockets inside. So there's another pocket in here. And there is a zippered pocket inside as well with there with a signature. Maybe I can find. Okay, so this is the price. Oh, okay. So this is the tag price. It's actually 389.99 US dollar. So, and then he got it on sale for only $100 plus tax in the US, California tax. And what else? So the inside lining is like that. There are the signature spades, the logo of Kate Spade, and there's nothing much inside. So there is there the etiquette or what the brand thing there. So there, it's so nice, and I think it's yeah definitely one of the bags that you must have inside your closet or in your closet. And there is also another thing here. So there are feet at the bottom, so light gold as well, that matches the hardware of the Kate Spade bag. And as for the zipper, I love the zipper, the style of the zipper as always, what Kate Spade normally uses in their other bags. So that's the style of the zipper that they do have. And all right, yeah, that's about it. I think that's about it for this Kate Spade bag. And definitely, I would love this and I would recommend this for you if you are an office girl, if you're working out outside your home, because I'm a work from home mom, so I don't normally use a lot of bags. Okay, by the way, plus the logo of Kate Spade. So this is the logo that Kate Spade is using now, because before they're actually using a different type of logo. There are like some shapes or whatnot. So right now, this is the type of logo that Kate Spade has. So just a spade up and then the name, Kate Spade, and then New York. So there. And because it's leather, I think this is the same leather that you're using for Prada bags. I'm not sure. I think what we can call this leather is the Saffiano leather, I think. Just correct me in the comment box if I'm wrong. And yeah, it's pretty easy to clean. If you have some wipes, you can use it to clean this bag. I think there's a bit of dirt here. But definitely, this is one of the bags that I can recommend you to use. If you don't have this type of bag yet, you can try to check online. There are a lot of sellers here in the Philippines, because I'm based in the Philippines. So there's a lot of sellers here in the Philippines who sell this Kate Spade Staci bag. Alrighty, I'll try to make another video with what we can put inside the Stacy bag, because I have to attend to something right now. And anyway, if you have any questions about the Stacy bag, Satchel, just leave them on the comment box and I'm going to try to answer them all. And if you haven't subscribed on our channel yet, please consider subscribing, like this video, comment down if you have any questions. Thank you, and see you on our next video. Bye!